Today we're going to install XPEL PPF Paint Protection Film on a 2019 Dodge 1500 Classic. The kit you receive will come with prep spray, slip spray, tack spray, squeegee with felt, and a microfiber towel. We're going to be installing on the fenders using a bikini cut to simplify where you don't have to debadge the fenders. This is going to be your high wear areas on typical road wear. We're going to show the process of installing the PPF on the fenders, but you can also install it on the hood, which is part of the bikini cut kit. Our kits are ready made for the individual vehicle and it comes pre-cut in the package. The PPF comes to you on a roll. It does not come pre-weeded, meaning that the shapes will be cut out and you have to take the backing away from it. Normally this is done on a vertical piece of glass where you can see both sides. However, you can do it with no problem on a table. When removing the PPF from the backing, make sure that your hands are clean, but your fingers are wet. We're going to thoroughly clean the area first with the prep spray. Now, to position the material correctly, you wet both surfaces with the slip spray to allow it to move around freely. You have to keep the surface wet. Now we're going to address how to position the material correctly. The key is finding a lineup point with the material and the body of the vehicle. You'll work the squeegee until all the water is out. You may want to come back to the edges after waiting 30 minutes to an hour to allow that water to evaporate. Once the water has evaporated, the edges will seal with no problem. The PPF kit that we sell is pre-cut specifically for the vehicle. The hard part about PPF is it is self-healing, very difficult to cut by hand. Everything we do is cut on a plotter and is cut specifically to the exact dimensions recommended by the manufacturer. A heat gun is generally not recommended on PPF. Before we head out on the road, make sure you have proper time to let it cure, and don't drive if you can help it for 72 hours.